Autotrade.com is really the ultimate automotive marketplace. We specialize in bringing buyers and sellers together. We sell advertising packages to our customers along with consulting services to really help them use the advertising, maximizing the effectiveness of their advertising to the mass amount of consumers that we have. Within the sales strategy department, we have a team of people focusing on sales enablement. And so their sole focus is really looking at what tools the field needs to be more efficient. Once we had the iPads out, was really taking the MicroStrategy app and enabling a lot of the internal data, a lot of the reporting, so that while they're sitting down with their customer, they can pull up a report or a map and show where the impact of their advertising right there on the spot.
The Container Store is the nation's leading retailer of storage and organization products. We actually came to MicroStrategy World 2 years ago. We literally, on our drive from the conference to the airport, made the decision everything we were going to build for our store leadership team from that moment on was going to be for mobile.
MicroStrategy is the primary tool we use to basically achieve our BI strategy. The value depends on how it's applied. MicroStrategy provides services to help better guarantee that we're successful.
We decided to name our store leadership dashboards the score. Our chairman and CEO likes to say, when you're in a game, everybody on the field has to know what the score is if you're going to have any chance at all of being successful. This really is all about everybody knowing the score and providing that information that people can act on right in the moment.
I was able to work with our business and project team to develop the whiteboard sessions, go through the whiteboard sessions and make sure we had the right requirements out there. And I would immediately go start developing on the front end using the MicroStrategy tools, which are great to use because they're so intuitive and user-friendly.
Now I don't have to research all the different reports from different emails that we used to receive. Now I can just go to the score, and that saves a lot of time. I'm able to be out on my sales floor more.
There's a lot of opportunities for mobile. We're very excited about the score. We're excited at where it is now, but we're even more excited about where we can take it.
So the sales force, their job is to visit DVM, Doctor in Veterinary Medicines, and to promote our drugs and vaccines. They want a tool that helps them to do their sales, to perform their work better. And in that sense, having only an online tool was not the solution.
You pull up in the parking lot of a practice, and right away you can see how that practice has performed against itself, against other practices around it. We have a client screen that gives us a map of all of our clients and a drawing tool that allows us to quickly see all of the clients that are in a particular area, compare them against each other. This is great for that scenario when a client cancels a lunch at the last moment and you have to figure out what to do with 2 hours of your time. Where are you going to get the biggest return? The offline capability of this app is one of the most important features. The fact that no matter what your internet connectivity is, if you're in the mountains or if you're stuck inside a practice and can't get a connection to the internet, you can still get fairly current sales data. I mean, as close to real time as you're going to get, and see how a client is performing. You're still able to change the plan on the fly based on what you can find in the app.
With this sovereign debt crisis in Europe, the banks started to get a lot of assets, real estate assets in their balance sheet. And this is not our banking business.
I was presented with the challenge of building an application for the country managers of the real estate that Banco receives from their customers. We are using this not only as a BI tool to consult the information that is available, but also to interact with the information and to create new information and new transactions in order to fulfill the business.
When we compile pretty good dashboards inside mobile apps, the ability of making things happen, we have all that we need to give a free way to mobile.
We were able to take real client data and turn it into an application on an iPad that was interactive, that we could walk in and start demoing to our clients. our ability to take their spend and make it actionable.
It's powerful for the wholesaler who could actually take that information on their mobile device and walk into a broker's office and really tell them what the entire experience is from a MetLife perspective. Here's what you've done on the sales side with us, and here's how we support you from a service perspective.
I'm able to walk into a store like this, and it's amazing. I'll ask a store manager, hey, look, you guys haven't met goal, what's up? And they shake because they're amazed that I have that information at my fingertip.
This first app, I think it's self-paid on the first day.
It's a great benefit for me because it helped me be more successful on the field.
MicroStrategy Mobile has definitely changed the way that we work.
I mean, the sort of the start to finish, or just continue to talk about features and benefits?
It seems like you actually really like it.
I really like it. I mean, I really like it. And I don't know how to convey. So, I mean, if you can capture that, right? We're still rolling. I really like it.